Our focus is cooked. Notifications, group chats, reels, random thoughts. Everything is fighting for your attention all day, every day. And most people, they're losing that fight. You tell yourselves, I want to do deep work. I want to get better. I want to lock in. And then 5 minutes later, you're scrolling your phone again. If you don't fix this, you'll stay stuck while everyone who figured it out moves ahead. But the good news? It's fixable. And it all fits into 6 simple steps in this video. I used to be the worst at this. I once sat down to study for 4 hours and got up having done absolutely nothing. I just stared at my screen, scrolled my phone, had random thoughts. And when I realized the whole day was gone, I didn't feel angry. I felt ashamed, like something was wrong with me. Like everyone else could focus and I just couldn't. That feeling ate me alive. So I made it my mission to fix it. I read books, tested every method I could find. Most didn't work, but 6 things actually worked. They took me from can't focus for 5 minutes to deep work sessions I never thought I was capable of. Those 6 steps gave me my life back, and right now, I'm giving them to you. Step 1. Build a deep focus zone. So here's something most people don't think about. Your brain is constantly scanning everything around you. Every sound, every object, every movement. It's like a radar that never turns off. Back in the cave days, that kept us alive. But now, it just keeps us distracted. And here's the problem. Most people try to focus in the worst environment possible. Messy desk, phone right next to them, gaming setup in the corner calling their name. Then they wonder why they can't concentrate. That's like trying to sleep at a concert. You're fighting your own brain. The fix is stupid simple. Make your workspace boring. Take everything off your desk that isn't related to your task. Phone? Another room. Not flipped over, not on silent, gone. And never study where you play. If you game at your desk, your brain thinks that desk is for fun. So when you try to study there, your brain goes, wait, this is where we have fun. Why are we doing math? Separate zones. Work here, play there. Keep them apart. All right, clean workspace. Done. But here's where it gets crazy. There's a way to make your brain flip into focus mode without willpower. Most people never learn this. That's step 2. Step 2. Train your brain with ritual. Your brain is a pattern machine. It's always looking for signals to know what mode to be in. That's why you feel sleepy when you get into bed. You didn't choose to feel tired. Your brain just knows. Bed means sleep. But most people sit down to work with 0 consistency. Different spot every day. Random music. Sometimes coffee, sometimes not. Their brain has no idea what's happening, so it just doesn't switch on. You sit there staring at your screen, waiting for focus to magically appear, and it never does. So give your brain a pattern. Every time you work, same spot, same playlist, same drink. Coffee, tea, whatever. Doesn't matter what it is. What matters is you do it every single time. After a couple weeks, these cues become automatic. Your brain will shift into work mode before you even open your book. For music, personally, I go with lo-fi beats. No lyrics, just chill vibes in the background. Keeps me in the zone without pulling my attention away. And pro tip, noise-canceling headphones. Best investment I ever made. They block out everything. People talking, traffic, your neighbor's questionable music taste. Headphones plus your playlist creates a personal bubble where nothing gets in. It's like a force field for your brain. Alright, so you've got your space set up and your brain ritual locked in. But here's the thing. Even with the perfect setup, sometimes you'll sit down and just feel nothing. No motivation, no drive. Step 3 fixes that. Step 3. Remind yourself of your purpose. This one sounds simple, but it's powerful. Here's something interesting about your brain. When it sees a clear connection between what you're doing and something you deeply care about, it releases dopamine, the chemical that makes focus feel easy and natural. But when there's no clear why behind your work, your brain treats it as pointless. And a brain that thinks something is pointless will do everything it can to escape. Check your phone, daydream, open a new tab, anything. That's not laziness. That's your brain saying, give me a reason. So give it one. Before every session, take 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. And remind yourself why you're doing this. Write it on a sticky note. Say it out loud. Whatever works. I'm studying because I want to get into my dream school. I'm doing this because future me is counting on present me. That tiny moment reconnects your brain to the task. Boring work becomes meaningful progress, and that changes everything. Okay, real talk. You've been watching for 5 minutes without checking your phone. That's already better than 90% of people can do, which means you're already proving you can focus. The next 3 steps? They make it permanent. Let's lock it in. Step 4. Get enough sleep. I know. Thanks, Captain Obvious. But hear me out, because most people don't realize how serious this is. Sleep is when your brain does its maintenance. It saves what you learned into memory, cleans out waste, and recharges the part responsible for focus and self-control. But here's what most people don't realize. Even one bad night drops your brain power by up to 30%. A third of your focus, gone. Being sleep-deprived is basically like trying to study while drunk. And yet we stay up until 2 a.m. watching just one more episode, or doom-scrolling reels. We sacrifice the one thing our brain needs most, and then wonder why we can't focus the next day. Stop negotiating with sleep. If you're 18 to 28, aim for 7 to 9 hours. Non-negotiable. I know it's not sexy advice. Nobody makes viral videos about sleeping. But that extra hour of sleep will do more for your focus than any energy drink, any supplement, any productivity hack ever could. It's the #1 performance booster, and it's free. Okay, so you're sleeping well, you've got your space, your ritual, your purpose. But there's one thing that most people completely overlook when it comes to focus, and it has nothing to do with your mind. It's about your body. Step 5. Fuel your brain properly. Fun fact, your brain is about 2% of your body weight. Tiny. But it eats 20 to 25% of your total energy. It's the most power-hungry organ you have. It's like that one friend who orders the most expensive thing on the menu every time. So what happens when you skip meals, live on instant noodles, or run on energy drinks and vibes? Your brain runs out of fuel. Brain fog, slow thinking, zero motivation. And you sit there thinking something's wrong with you. But nothing's wrong. You're just running on empty and asking your brain to perform like a supercomputer. Eat real food before your deep work sessions. Oatmeal, eggs, nuts, fruits, stuff that gives you steady energy, not a sugar spike followed by a crash. And stay hydrated. Even being slightly dehydrated makes it harder to think clearly. Keep a water bottle at your desk. Think of it this way. You wouldn't put cheap gas in a race car and expect it to win. Don't feed your brain junk and expect it to perform. Step 6, and this one might be your favorite. Take strategic breaks. Your brain was not built for non-stop focus. After about 25 to 50 minutes of intense work, your attention starts to fade. Your brain gets tired, just like a muscle after too many reps. But here's what most people do. They feel their focus slipping, so they push harder. They sit there for 3-4 hours straight, forcing themselves to keep going. And what actually happens? They're not working anymore. They're just staring at words, pretending to be productive while their brain checked out an hour ago. Work with your brain, not against it. Use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focused work, 5 minutes break. Repeat 4 times. Then take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. Your break is your time. Check messages, scroll your feed, stretch, grab water, whatever you want. The secret is, rest before your brain forces you to. That way, you stay sharp the whole session instead of burning out halfway through. All right, let's bring it all together. 6 steps to fix your focus. 1. Build a deep focus zone. Clean workspace, separate your play area. 2. Train your brain with rituals. Same spot, same playlist, same drink. Make focus automatic. 3. Remind yourself of your purpose. Reconnect with your why before every session. 4. Get enough sleep. 7 to 9 hours. No excuses. 5. Fuel your brain. Eat real food, drink water, stop running on fumes. 6. Take strategic breaks. 25 on, 5 off. Rest before you crash. Look, I'm not gonna lie to you. These steps are simple. But simple doesn't mean easy. The real difference? It's in actually doing them. Not tomorrow, not Monday, today. Start with just 1 or 2. Build from there. Small steps, big changes. You know how it goes. Hey, if this video helped you even a little bit, smash like and subscribe. I know everyone says that, but for a small channel like mine, it genuinely matters. I need your support to keep this going. And if you know someone who needs to hear this, send it to them. They'll thank you later. Quick question. Which of these 6 steps are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. All right, that's it for today. Now close this video and go lock in. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.